When students join our program, they can expect a curriculum that's practical, forward-thinking, and career-focused. We start by helping students learn how systems work, why organizations use them, and how to make data-driven decisions. From there, students will learn about getting and making data working with Python, SQL, API, AI, databases, data warehouses, and cloud systems. Our core information systems courses explore areas such as systems analysis and design and IT management. Students learn project management from the bottom up and IT management from the top down. Looking at how IT projects are managed from both viewpoints provide a well-rounded picture of critical components of how IT fits in the business. Then students can customize their learning through focused study areas like Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP, where students work with enterprise systems that run businesses, cybersecurity to understand how to protect critical assets, digital innovation, where emerging tech meets creative problem solving and creating opportunities, and business analytics for those who want to turn data into strategy. Students aren't just learning concepts, they're building the skills that employers are looking for.